people have been making crazy money with the free signals we are giving in my Telegram channel, and you are missing out. And in case you're coming across this video, you want to join the channel, check the pinned comment or check the description on my bio. You can see the channel to join. But I'm making this video because some people do not know how to trade and they've been missing out on this big profit that be passing through this particular channel. I really felt pain, and that is the main reason I am making this video, to teach you how to trade the spot. And in my next video, I'll be showing you how to trade profitably like a pro in the futures markets. And the exchange I'll be using to teach us on how to trade is called Weex Exchange. Now, the question is, why do I have to use Weex Exchange? This is because this is an exchange that I'll be using to trade since last year, and I've never had issue. I enjoy their low trading fee. There is no hidden charges. And furthermore, they have been in operation since 2018, registered in Singapore. And not just that, these guys has over 800 coins listed in their marketplace and over 900 trading pairs available in the market for any traders to go and analyze and trade anytime, any day. And beyond that, there is something I pay attention to. When you go to the coin market cap, you see they have a financial reserve. But when you go to static audit, I discovered that their financial reserve is not available. Why on this place you are seeing over $105 million. However, Binance financial reserve is hitting over billions of dollars. So this is a bit little. But when I checked their credit score, you see is 8/10. That is giving them a higher rate. It means that they are sustainable for you to trade. But remember, a lot of exchanges have encountered some hack issues since 2019, but they've been in operation till today. That's because of this financial reserve you see here. Let's take, for instance, Binance was hacked over $30 million in 2019, and they're still in operation till today. Nobody lost money. KuCoin was hacked over $200 million 2 years ago, and they're still in operation today. And this year, Bybit was hacked $1.4 billion, and yet they're still in operation because when Bybit was hacked of 1.4, they had over $5 billion in their financial reserve. And some might be asking, what's the need of this financial reserve, or what is financial reserve? It is a money set aside to always secure the platform in case of any issues of such, the hack operations that used to happen. And since this started happening, centralized exchanges have been standing strong without breaking down. But do I still believe that I should keep all my money in a centralized exchange? No. So what I do is I fund my account, and after trading, I will take both my profit and my capital back to the centralized exchange, and I keep it. Whenever I'm ready to trade, I fund again and I trade. So you might also adopt this as your own personal strategy. But without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the main action. So to get started with this particular exchange and start trading, all you need to do is to use the link you'll be seeing in my description. I'll also be leaving it in the comment section. I will pin it along with my Telegram channel. Once you use the link, it's going to open a browser, and then you fill in your details like your user, your email address, password, and then you sign up, verify your account. But for those of us that don't want to use a browser, we're using our phone, and of course I'll be using a phone for this particular record. All you need to do is go to your Play Store or App Store and look for Weex Exchange. Install it like you're seeing here now. See, I'm installing this one, and once you're done, you click on open. Once you're done opening it, it's going to bring you to this page, and this page is login sign up page. Click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see sign up below. Do not just go to the first column. Go to the sign up, click on the sign up, and it's going to ask you to fill in your email. Sometimes it brings you first to this captcha. Now, all you need to do on this captcha is to select 3 items, these 3 images, and they give you the symbol of that image here. So all it means, come to this place, look for the image, select 3 of it, and once you get it correct, it's going to bring you down to this place. Now, once it opens, look below, you're going to see referral code optional. Now, it's optional, but you're going to miss out on a bonus. If you click on this place, it's going to open this column. It opens the column for you. All you need to do is to tap this code you're seeing here, BPROP, BPROP. Once you've used this code, you'll be automatically given 300 Weex token, WRT. That's the native token. And if this code token hits $1, you've gotten $300 for free for now. Once you've done that, look at this user agreement, click on it, you're going to see continue below. And once you've done that, a code will be sent to your email. Copy the code, come back here and fill it, and you are done. The next place is going to bring you is the home page. Once it gets to the home page, you're going to see verify your account. Please click on that verification button instantly and verify your account using valid ID card like NIM, but it must be a plastic one, national ID card or international passport. These three ones, or driver's license, you can use it. Plastic one, paper verification does not work, so it must be a plastic one. Once you've done that, then you can start trading. Then the next step is to make a deposit, and what you should be depositing is USDT. You click on assets, you will see buy crypto, you will see deposit, you will see withdrawal, you will see transfer. Click on deposits. You will see on-chain deposits. Click on it. Then look for USDT. If you already searched for it before, you're going to see it in your history. But if not, just come to popular crypto. You're going to see it. If you did not see it, look for this column here and type USDT. You're going to pop up. It will ask you to select a preferred network you want to use to receive this token. If it's TRC20, select. If it's BEP20, you select. The wallet is going to pop up. Now copy this wallet and send to your vendor that wants to send this coin to you. And in case you do not have a vendor, see this WhatsApp number here is PalmPay. Contact them you want to buy USDT and they will give you rates. Pay to them, they will sell the USDT to you. But in case you have Bybit, KuCoin, or any other place you know you have USDT, you can also transfer to this place to start trading. And once you receive the money, the next place is to start trading. Remember, I said spot market we are trading, right? So what you need to do is click on trade, not futures, not markets, not home. Click on trade. Once you click on trades, it's bringing you down to this place. And a situation where a signal is given in our channel and you don't know how to get it right, let me explain that to you so that you know how to trade properly. So here is our trading channel where we drop signal. We have a general channel anyways. Now, when you come to this place, you're going to see buy coin. Now, you look at something like this, you're going to see this entry. You see entry here at this first line here. The down one is your stop loss. The second one is your entry. And this is long position, right? Now, you are going to see take profit 1 and take profit 2. Now, if your entry is 94,191, this is BTC. And the next second one is TPT. That is take profit 1. Second one is TP2. That is take profit 2. And you come down, you're going to see the full analysis here. Now you see buy BTC entry, you see stop loss, you see a take profit. All you just need to do is to come down to this place. You funded your USDT. Come to this place, you are seeing WXT USDT. Tap on it. Make sure it's on spots and then search for BTC USDT. It pops up here. You click on it. Now, as the time I'm making this video, BTC has already gone beyond that price. Now, you see, we have buy and we have sell. Buy is when you want to buy and sell is when you want to sell. Now, let's take, for instance, you do not use that signal again. Let's just take, okay, you want to buy with that same signal of 94K. So you put 94,111. Now you put the amount you want to buy. If you have maybe $500 and you want to buy with $50, you type 50 here. I cannot type because I do not have money here. So you can just type like 3. Let me see the 3 I have here. And you see the value in BTC. Now you click on buy. Instantly, it's going to be on open order. Now, because the price is not here, it's not going to fuel for you. Until price retraces back and gets to this place, this is the only time it can fuel for you. So once that is done, meaning that you've entered the trade. Now, if it feels for you, you're going to come here and you're going to see open history. You're going to see your trade histories here. These are the place you're going to see all trade history. Then if you've entered the trade and it has entered for you, the next is to sell. When you want to sell, you come back here, you draw this line complete, meaning that you want to sell, or if you want to sell maybe 20% or half of it, you click here. Any amount you want to sell, you cannot swear, type it in the column. But here shows you the percentage. Here is 30%, here is 52, here is 75, and here is 100. It means you want to sell. Or when you click sell, it will fill for you depending on the price you want to sell. Remember, we say 94 and sell at 96. So if you feel like 96, once price gets here, it will sell for you automatically. But there's something you also need to pay attention to. This is a limit order buy and sell that we use. Now, let's open this place by tapping on this arrow down here. You see we have limit order and we have market order. Now, the limit order is an order that allows you to choose a specific price for yourself to buy and to sell. Why the market order fuels at instant price that is available in the market. Let's take, for instance, this order book here. You see this place is order book. The up here is showing red. Those are people that are selling, and down here is green, means people that are buying. So if now you said you want to use market order to sell, what will happen instantly is that once you click to buy or you want to sell, it's going to sell for you at any available price that is here, and it happens at instant. While limit is the one that will have to wait to come to the price that you feel. Let's say I feel that I want to sell at 120,000. It's going to get to this point before it sells for you. These are the differences between limit order and market order. So with this, you can use our signals in the group to trade and make money for yourself. So if you have any other questions you want me to answer, or you are somehow confused on how to use this to trade, please leave that in the comment section and I'll be making a video explaining that in details. However, in my next video, I'll be showing you how to trade the futures market. So if you're ready, then hit the subscription button and then comment ready below, and I'll be making the video for you. My name is Gibchain.